Hello everyone, good morning student. Dear student, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what linear equation, real numbers. And in that class we all the topic included that chapter and completed the chapter. Now in today class we start a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, there's in previous class mean that is in 9th class we discussed about the linear equation in two variables, and we discussed the topic about the graph. We solved the question based on the graphical, the draw the graph of the linear equation in two variables. But in that chapter we discussed about the pair of linear equation in two variables. Dear students, the system of linear equations, the system of linear equations in two variables is of the form, the system of linear equation in two variables in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, so here in that chapter we discuss about the system of pair of linear equation in two variables is of the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here this is linear because of the highest power of the variable is 1, that it is said to be what a linear equation. And linear equation in two variables means that both the equations contains two variables as x and y. So it is known as the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, dear students, now in that chapter, dear students, generally we discuss about the solving the pair of, let's see, we discuss about the topic solving the linear equation in the pair, solving the pair of linear equation in two variables, solving the pairs of linear equations in two solving the pair of linear equation in two variables by different method. Okay, dear students, in that chapter we discuss about the solving the pair of linear equation in two variables in different methods. So in that methods there are some important methods are, first one was graphical method. Yes, by graphical method we solve the system of pair of the pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, by graphical method. And second one is what, by substitution method. And we also discuss about the word solving the pair of linear equation two variable by elimination method. Okay, so these are some important methods, and one method is also in that chapter, is cross multiplication method. Method. So here there are some important methods to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables. Solving the pair of linear equation in two variables means that what? It means that to find the value of the variables, as x and y. So Dear student, so these are some important method which we discuss one by one. Okay. So generally we discuss the graphical method at last. Okay. Now first of all we discuss about the solving the pair of linear equation 2L by substitution method. Dear student, in graphical method, and you know that also in previous class we draw the graph of a linear equation. Means we draw the graph of a linear equation is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And you know that dear student, the graph of the linear equation always a straight line. Always a what? Straight line. The graph of the linear equation always a straight line. Okay, dear student. Now, for in that chapter also, what is the process to solving solving that equation by graphical method? So first of all, dear student, first of all we draw the graph of each equation. We draw the graph of each linear equation into variables on the same graph paper. After that, in from both the equation we get a straight line. The graph of the that equation also we get a straight line, na? And the point of intersection of that straight line is the required solution of the pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, dear students. Now, so first of all, we discuss the topic to solving the pair of linear equation in two variables by substitution method. Okay, let's see dear students. First of all, we discuss about the topic solving the pair of linear equations in two variables by substitution method. By substitution method. Okay. We discuss about the topic substitution, solving the pair of linear equation in two variables by substitution method. Okay, let's see what is the process to solve the linear equation in two variables by substitution method. Now we take a problem and solving them. Okay, let's see dear students. Solve the following system of equations. The question is solve the following system of equation. The following system of equations. Solve the following system of equations by using the method of substitution. By using the method of substitution. By using the method of substitution. And first part of this question is what? So first part is 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. And second part of this question is, dear students, the second part of this question is what? X plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So these are the question here. Now let's see its solution. Now we solve the first part of this question. Dear student, what is the process? What is the process to solve that type of question? let's see what I do. So in that type of question, first of all we have the equation and we substitute the value of x or y from one equation to another equation. Okay, now so we simplify. Let's see. First of all, we got the given equations. Equations are which is what 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. This is the equation first, and second one 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. This is 2. Now first of all from equation 2, okay, now let's see from equation 2 we get the value of x is minus y transform, that's at y minus 1 already here, x is equal to y minus 1. Now we put the value of x in equation 1, okay. Now we put x is equal to y minus 1 in equation first. In equation first we get what we get, let's see. 3 into x is means y minus 1 minus 5y is equal to minus 1. So we get as 3y minus 3 minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Okay, now what I get? Let's see here. Plus 3y minus 5y is what? This is minus 2y and is equal to minus 1 and minus 3 transfer that side, so plus 3. So we get as minus 2y is equal to, this is plus 2. So derivation y is equal to 2 upon minus 2, so 2 1 is 2. Thus the value of y is minus 1. Okay. Thus, dear student, after solving that linear equation, the value of y is what? Minus 1. Now, what I do now, we also find the value of x. Now from equation 1, from equation 2, we put y is equal to minus 1. So we get what? If we put y is equal to minus 1, dear students, then we get, let's see, x is equal to minus 1 minus 1, and that is x is equal to minus 2. Okay. So dear students, in this way the value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is minus 1. This is the required solution of the given pair of linear equation in two variables. Dear student, the solving the linear equation in two variables means the pair of linear equation in two variables means that to finding the value of the variable x and y. So dear student, in substitution method, this is very easy methods. So in that method we select an equation and from that equation we find the value of x or value of y. Now after putting the value of x or y in another equation, okay, and simplify them, you get the value of one variable x or y. After that you put the value of the variable in any equation, you get the value of another variables. So this is the process to solve that type of question. Similarly, we take and solve the second part of this question. Okay, let's see. Similarly, take the second part of this question, which is what? First of all, we write given equations. Given equations are x plus 2y is equal to minus 1, take equation 1, and 2x minus 2 is equal to equation 2, this is equation, take as 2. Now what I do, dear students? Now first of all choose an equation and we find the value of x or we find the value of y. Now from equation 1 we get the value of x is what, minus 1 plus 2y, transfer that side, so we get minus 2y. Okay, now what I do, now just we put the value of x in equation 2, thus we put x square minus 1 minus 2y in equation 2, we get in equation 2 we get what, we get as 2 into x means what, minus 1 minus 2y, and this is minus 3y is equal to 12. So we get as minus 2, this is minus 2 to the 4y, 2 to the 4y, this is minus 2, this is minus 2, now this is minus 4y minus 3y is what, minus 7. Okay, this is minus 7y is equal to 12, right as it is. Now this is minus 7y is equal to 12 and minus 2 transfer that side, that is plus 2. So we get minus 7y is equal to 14, 7 to the 14, thus the value of y is what, minus 2. Okay, thus dear students, after simplifying that equation, we saw in that condition, that equation, we get the value of y as what, minus 2. Now we also find the value of x na, now we put x y equal to, now we put y equal to minus 2 in equation 2, we get, let's see, in equation 2 we get 2x minus 3 into this is minus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, now this is 2x minus minus plus 3 to the 6 is equal to 12. So 2x is equal to 12 minus 6, that is 6, that is x is equal to 6 upon 2 to 2 3 to 6, thus the value of x is what, 3. This is the another answer. Okay, thus dear students, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise by using the substitution method. So this is very easy method, so please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, now dear students, we discuss about the next topic of that chapter, which is what, to solving the pair of linear equation in two value by elimination method. Okay, let's see dear students. No, now first of all we find also a question based on same topic. Okay, let's see. The question is, solve 2x upon n plus y upon b is equal to 2 and x upon a minus y upon b is equal to 4. By which method? Dear friends, by substitution method. Okay, so let's see what is the process, dear friends, to solve that type of question. Let's see its solution. First of all, we have two equations, and this is equation first, this is equation second. Okay, now First of all, we find the value of the variable x in x or y in from any equation. Then you put the value of that variable in another equation, and we simplify them. So let's see. So from equation 2. Now from equation 2 we get, let's see, from equation 2 x upon a is equal to 4 and minus 4 y transfer to that side, so we get plus y upon b. Now, so dear student, now x upon a is equal to, we take LCM as b, that is this is 4b plus y upon b. Okay, now from there we get the value of x is what, a into 4b plus y upon b. Okay, a upon b into 4b plus y. Now we put the value of x in equation 1. Now we put the value of x in equation 1. We get what we get, let's see. We get as 2 into x. The value of x is what? A upon b in bracket 4b plus y, and upon, this is a, right as it is. Okay, plus y upon b, right as it is equal to 2. Now let's see here. Here a cancel to each other, so we get what? 2 into 4b plus y upon b plus y upon b is equal to 2. Okay, dear students, now what I do? Here we take the LCM of their denominator. We take the LCM of their denominator. So we get what? Let's see. So 2 4 the 8b. Okay. 2 4 the 8b plus that is 2y is equal to y is equal to 2. Now let's see. Thus we get, this is 3y plus 8b is equal to, this is 2b. This is 2b. Thus, so 3y is equal to 2b minus 8b. 2b minus 8b now. So we get as what? This is 3y is equal to, this is 6 minus 6b. So 3 2 are 6. That is y is equal to minus 2b. Y is equal to minus 2. This is the another answer. This is first answer. Okay, so what is the process, dear student? First of all, from equation 2 we find the value of x in terms of y. Okay, after that we put the value of x in equation first. After that we put the value of x in equation first and simplify them. After simplify them, we get the value of y as what? Minus 2b. Okay, minus 2b. Now finding the value of b, y. Now what I do? Now we put the value of y in equation first in or 2 as you wish. Now we put y is equal to minus 2b in equation 2. We get in equation 2. So we get what? Let's see. We get as x upon a minus y means what? Minus 2b upon d. Minus 2b upon d. Okay? Equal to 4. So we get as x upon a, this is plus 2b upon b is equal to 4. Okay, now b cancel to each other, so we get as what? X upon a plus 2 is equal to 4. Thus x upon a is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So the value of x is equal to a into 2, that is 2a. This is the another answer. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve that type of question, because of this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay. Now, Jason, we take and solve one more question based on that topic. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Your question is solve the equation. Solve the equation 2 upon root x plus 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2 and 4 upon under root x minus 9 upon under root y is equal to minus 1. Okay, now we find the value of x and y. Okay, let's see its solution. Let's see. So this is equation number 2. So from equation 2 we get 4 upon under root x is equal to minus 1 plus 9 upon under root y. Okay, or we also write in this way, students. Let's see. So from 2 again, from 2 we write 2 into 2 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Okay, now we take 2, we write 2 into that. Okay, now from 1 and from 1 the value of 2 upon under root x is equal to what? 2 minus 3 upon under root y. Okay, now we put the value of 2 upon root x as this. So we get as 2 into the value of this is what? 2 minus 3 upon under root y minus 9 upon under root y is equal to minus 1. Okay, now we simplify them. So 2 to the 4 minus 2 to the 6 upon under root y and minus 9 upon under root y is equal to minus 1. So we get what? Transfer that side to 6 upon under root y plus 9 upon under root y is equal to 4 plus 1. So we get root y as now, so this is 15 upon under root y is equal to 4 and 5. So we do the cross multiplication. So 5 under root y is equal to what? 15. So 5 3 is 15. Thus the value of under root y is 3. The squaring both sides to y is equal to 3 is 9. This is the answer. Then in this way, this is the value of the variable y. Okay. Now we put the value of y in the equation in equation 2. From 2 we get what? This is 4 upon under root x minus 9 upon this is the value of under root y is what? 3. Now we put that 3 is equal to minus 1. 3 3 is 9. So 4 upon under root x is equal to minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. So 4 upon under root x is equal to, this is 2. So root x is equal to 4 upon 2, 2 to the 4. That is why the x is what? 2 to the 4. The value of x is what? This is 4. Okay. Thus, dear student, this is the process to solve that type of question. Okay. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Dear student, after that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay. So dear student, in today's class we start a very important chapter, which is pair of linear equation in two variables, and we discuss about the topic to solve the linear equation in two variables. Okay. Okay, dear students. So in that class we discuss about the solving the linear pair of linear equation in two variables by substitution method. Now, first of all, you practice each and every question which we discuss in that class, and in next class we take and discuss about the next topic, which is solving the linear equation in two variables by elimination method. Okay, dear students. Now, thanks to all.